Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. This printer is Canon PIXMA MG3650. First of all, you need to put this printer in a wireless mode, and if you look on the Wi-Fi button, the light is flashing blue light. If it's connected to a network, the light will be a steady blue. To put this printer in a wireless mode, what you need to do first of all is you need to press the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. If you press the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds, the printer on button will flash. Then you press the copy button once, then press the Wi-Fi button again once, and the printer will be in a wireless mode, so that when you search for this printer from the app, you should be able to see this printer. Now the next thing to do is we are connecting this printer with mobile phone. First of all, you need to go to your Play Store, install and download Canon Print app. Canon Print app is already installed on my mobile phone. So you select search for printer. It will start to search for available printer. Please wait momentarily. Show you this searching. Is your printer listed below? I'm going to select no. If your printer is not listed, after a while tap next. So select next, then select no, then select click next, and you find the printer. Set up Wi-Fi for the following printer: Canon IJ40 MG3000 series. Then you select OK. When the printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect. So select next. Searching for the device. Connect to device. Print, we use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect the printer. Then select connect. Please wait momentarily. Show you connected. Please wait momentarily. And in the meantime, the Wi-Fi network button is still flashing blue light. Processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router. It will show you the details, no or yes. Then you select yes. Communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. The printer, if you look, the printer is now connected to network. The Wi-Fi that was flashing no longer flashing. Go back to the app and select the printer. So acquiring printer information. Here we go. You can see the connection. You can choose your favorite photo or try it out. If you select photo, then you print it out, but I'm going to cancel this point. So, and they're showing us the printer MG3600 series. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you want to print out document, for instance, for your mobile phone, then you select print document. Select document, then you select the document. You go to your file and select the document that you want to print out. This document is 2 pages document. Then select next, select OK to print all. The paper size is A4. The following paper is selected. Do you want to check online? You select no. So the paper we have here is A4. We want to print this double-sided plain paper. Print double-sided, long edge. Then you go back, then select print. printing is completed, then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, then print out your document. This printer deserves your attention. This is Canon MG3650, and from this app we have printed a document. You can print photo, you can scan, smartphone copy, etc. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.